Today we came to Miao Wan. Here recently, Chinese mackerel has been caught over 100 caddies and over 200 caddies. Our team also came here to try it out. We use our Mamaxiang with a 10,000 type spinning reel. Let's wait and see. Let's see how the 8528TE handles the Da Song Hua bridge. Wow, it's not small. The fish go to the bow. Pull the rod, yes! The one in front. Let's wait and see. Captain, drive the boat to chase. Captain, chase after it. The fish goes its own way. Stand firm, we're okay. It's impossible to get it up in less than dozens of minutes. It's out half of the line. It's out half the line. Let's go. Be careful. This is okay. Let's go. Feng, did you fall downstairs? Come with me. We relay the work. Captain, can this one out of 100 kilogram? Let's see if this one can break 100 kilogram. Then let's see if we can gain some line. All the line that was just reeled in was given back to it. Another 100 meter. How much is reeled in and how much is let out? Can you break 100? I'll tell you. Okay. Here recently,